Hi everyone, my name is Bryce. I will be discussing the second element of Module 18, which is the SMS development. In today's fast-paced world of technology, the humble short message service, or SMS, has proven to be a powerful agent of social change, especially in developing countries. While texting is often seen as a casual way to communicate, it has become an essential tool for overcoming barriers to vital services, empowering individuals, and fostering community development. SMS offers a cost-effective and flexible way to share important information, create economic opportunities, and improve the quality of life in regions that lack traditional infrastructure. Its simplicity and accessibility make it a key player in driving change where it is needed most. Cheap communication. Though we think of texting as just a means of day-to-day communication, it has been utilized in developing countries in a variety of ingenious ways to improve the lives of people there. Surprisingly, cell phones in the developing world are both cheaper and more ubiquitous than many basic services we take for granted, such as brick and mortar banks and some countries even electricity. Mobile phones have become a game changer in developing countries, with their impact reaching far beyond just communication. In many areas, they have helped bridge significant gaps in access to essential services, tackling a wide range of challenges, from financial inclusions to healthcare, education, and disaster response. Mobile phones have opened new opportunities that were previously out of reach for many people. This technology has proven to be a powerful tool in improving daily life, driving progress, and supporting communities in ways that were once unimaginable. Texting, or SMS, is still the most widely used data service around the world, despite the rise of internet-based messaging apps like WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger. SMS remains a key method of communication in many places. Its simplicity, reliability, and ability to work on almost any phone, regardless of internet access, make it especially popular in developing countries. How is SMS messaging changing the world? There are 4.2 billion texters worldwide. That's out of 3 human on Earth. That's more than the population of the entire world in 1975. 5 times the number of Facebook members, and 4 times the number of monthly Google users. In 2010, 6.1 trillion texts were sent worldwide. That's 193,430 texts sent per second, a 338% increase from 2007. The feature phone, often called a dumb phone, is still the best-selling electronic product in the world. Even though smartphones dominate in many parts of the globe, feature phones continue to outpace them in sales, particularly in emerging markets. These phones are designed for basic tasks like calling, texting, or sometimes accessing simple internet services, making them affordable and accessible to people in areas where limited resources or infrastructure is. Case study: Texting for Good. In developing countries, 2 in 3 people have mobile phone subscriptions. 48 million people worldwide have cell phones but no electricity, often charging their phone using car batteries. By 2012, 1.7 billion have phones but no bank account. Cell phone subscription outpace bank accounts in many countries around the globe. Texting is improving life in unexpected ways. Afghanistan, police officers received a 36% boost in salary. In 2019, NATO launched a pilot program to deliver Afghani police officers their salary by phone, thwarting corrupt middlemen that had been pilfering large portions of paychecks. Ghana and Nigeria. As many as in 1 in 4 pills sold in poor countries are counterfeit. HP developed a system that lets Ghanaians and Nigerians text code from their medicine wrapper to a database that tells them whether or it's not real. The Philippines, 87% of Filipinos prefer communicating with their government by text message. Former President Macapagal Arroyo set up texting lines for 54 government agencies. Res- Residents can afford to report crime, drug activity, and general complaints by text message. Kenya, families' income rose to 5 to 30%, 13 million or 1 in 3 Kenyans use mobile banking service MPESA, which lets users transfer money, receive salary, and pay bills via text message. For the discussion questions, in your own words, how SMS is changing the world. Question number 2, how can SMS texting create a new opportunity for development initiatives in underserved communities? Thank you for listening. This is Bryce.